guys, welcome back to my channel, and in today's video I will be showing you my top DIY face mask that I love using in winters. So the first face mask is for soft glowy skin. Now you guys know I love a good chocolate face mask. So I'm going in with 1 tablespoon cocoa powder, 1 tablespoon coffee powder and 2 tablespoons of honey. Giving all of these ingredients a good mix, and this can be stored for over 2 weeks. I did store it for 2 weeks, so yeah. Now this face mask is extremely beneficial for dry, dehydrated skin. Coffee is a great ingredient for face mask, keeps the skin smooth and bright, and chocolate and honey possess antioxidant properties that kill acne causing bacteria without actually leaving your skin dry. So if you want to feel your skin soft, this is the face mask, and this is one of my favorite mask out of all. So I'm gonna leave this on for around 10 to 15 minutes and I'm gonna take it off. So this face mask doesn't dry. In fact, none of the face mask today dries because we have mixed honey in all these face masks. So yeah, you are not going to feel your skin dry once you remove it because it actually doesn't dry at all. So for the next DIY face mask, if you guys are looking for a brightening and hydrating face pack, then you can go in with 2 teaspoon aloe vera gel, 1 teaspoon sandalwood powder, 1 teaspoon honey. Now sandalwood works for all skin types, leaving you with a healthy glowy skin. It helps to maintain the elasticity of the skin cells. Mixed with honey, it reduces dryness and restores the moisture in your skin, which is a boon. So if you have oily skin, instead of using honey, you can go in with rose water. So again, I'm applying this all over my skin and I'm gonna leave this for around 10 minutes and take it off. Alright you guys, so for the last face mask today I have the oats face mask. Now oats are again so great for your skin. So for this face mask you'll simply need 1 tablespoon oats, 1 tablespoon milk powder, 1 tablespoon honey and 1 tablespoon yogurt. Now I'm gonna give all of this a good mix and I'm gonna leave it for around 5 minutes or so that the oats is completely soaked up. It just makes the application process a lot easier. Now all of these are great for soothing dry, itchy and irritated skin. It just makes it the perfect face mask for winters. Oats is great for your skin, honey is very moisturizing, and I'll apply this all over, keep it on for 10-15 minutes again and then rinse it off with lukewarm water and feel your skin because this leaves your skin so incredibly soft. So those were my top DIY favorite winter face mask, and I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. I hope you guys found it helpful, and also do not forget to like, share and subscribe, and I will see you soon. Bye.